Dear friends, today we have announced the restructuring of our operations in India, and I wanted to take the opportunity to share the details directly with you through this video. This restructuring is in response to increasingly challenging market conditions, including the extended slowdown of India's auto industry, as well as cumulative operating losses of about $2 billion that Ford has incurred against an investment of $2.5 billion over the years. Unfortunately, no matter what we tried or investigated, all our projections show that we will continue to deliver suboptimal returns on shareholder investment. The business change we announced today is designed to create a new asset-light business model, which is sustainably profitable longer term. As part of the restructuring, we plan to serve Indian customers with some of the most iconic vehicles from the Ford portfolio, such as the Mustang and Mach-E. We will stop vehicle assembly in Sanand and vehicle and engine manufacturing in Chennai. This means in the time to come, Ford will shift from an existing set of locally produced products to a global portfolio. The sale of our current products such as Figo, Aspire, Freestyle, Ecosport and Endeavour will continue only while we have them in our inventory. Now a message for the existing customers of our vehicles. Ford has a long and proud history and over 1 million customers in India. I want to be clear that we are not leaving and will continue to take care of you like family. We will be working closely with our dealers, all of whom have supported Ford for long, to ensure accessibility of service and spare parts, quality of service with a family wali feeling, competitive cost of ownership, and the honoring of our warranty promise. In the end, I thank you for the trust and seek your support in this transition. The restructuring of our business gives us an opportunity to continue to serve you. I hope this message gave you some context and details of our announcement. You can reach our social channels or customer care if you have any other queries. We will endeavor to provide answers as quickly as we can. My team and I will also find ways to reach out to you in the near future through customer engagements or meeting to address your queries and concerns. Thank you.